G'day YouTubers, now the following video is going to be a 3D animation presentation of RAID 0, 1 and 5, and it was made in 3D Blender, and I'd just like to give a special thanks to PCMat360 for checking over the information in the video and just giving me a general hand. RAID 0, also known as stripped volume, is where the data is split across two hard drives in blocks of bytes. Now a block of data can be as small as 1 byte, but is commonly 512 bytes, so there is a varying number of blocks that will be created on your hard drive. RAID 0 is normally used to improve performance without halving your hard drive's capacity. You'll see a great improvement because your PC can access blocks of data bit by bit as normal, but from two hard drives, effectively making data transfer twice as fast. However, because the data is split into blocks with half the bytes of a single file on one disk and the other half on another disk, if one of those disks should fail, the whole array is destroyed because the array is fragmented with half of its bytes now missing, and recovering any data is pretty much an impossibility. RAID 1 works in a different way to achieve what RAID 0 does, but is much safer at the expense of hard drive space. If you are using two hard disks of the same size, you'll be effectively halving the hard drive's capacity, because hard drive 1 is like a master drive, while secondary hard drives are exact copies, or mirrors, so there is no data splitting. Now there is still a great performance increase because it still works on a bit-by-bit basis across the drives reading at multiple places at once. However, if one hard disk fails, your PC can still access the other drives, giving you time to replace the hard drive at fault. RAID 5 replaced RAID 3 and 4, and strips your data across all drives at a block level, while writing backup information known as parity data distribution, which is written across all disks in the array. It is generally the most popular array because it gives performance while the chance of the array failing is small, because if one disk has an error, the error can be fixed using backup information, or if there is an error with the backup information, it can be repaired using the data. Also, if one hard disk completely fails, you can replace it. However, if two or more disks fail, too much information is lost and the array is destroyed. But the chance of catastrophic data loss due to disk failure is lower than if you were using a single disk.